In today's video, we're going to cover how to do best buy questions, which involve comparing two items to see which one of them is best value for money. For example, let's imagine that we had the option of buying these two bottles of the same drink, and we wanted to know which one of them was best value for money. The bigger bottle on the right is 2 liters and costs £3.20, whereas the smaller bottle is 1.2 liters and it costs £1.80. Which one represents the best value? Well, at the moment, we can't really compare them because the sizes and costs are both different, so it's hard to see which one's more expensive to make them comparable, though we need to make either the cost or the size the same. In this case, the easiest way to do that would be to find out how much each bottle costs per liter. So if we do the bigger bottle first, if £3.20 is the price for 2 liters, we need to divide the £3.20 by 2 to find out that it costs £1.60 per liter. And then we do exactly the same thing for the smaller bottle, so £1.80 divided by 1.2 to get £1.50 per liter. And then by comparing these two prices, we can see that the smaller bottle is slightly better value because it only costs £1.50 per liter rather than £1.60. Now, the other way that we could have done this question, which I think is a bit harder, is instead to find out how many liters you're getting per pound that you spend for each bottle. So for the bigger bottle, by doing the 2 liters divided by the £3.20, we can find that we're getting 0.625 liters per pound that we're spending, whereas for the smaller bottle, we'll do 1.2 liters divided by £1.80 to find out that we're getting 0.667 liters per pound. So again, we can see that the smaller bottle is better value because we're getting more drink per pound that we spend. If you're wondering which of these techniques you should use, there isn't really any right or wrong answer. Both are correct, but often you'll find one of them a bit easier or make a bit more sense than the other one. So just try and pick the one that fits best for you. Let's have a go at one more. Imagine that we had 2 packs of toilet rolls, one that contains 9 rolls for £4.23 and another that contains 4 rolls for £1.96, and we're asked to figure out which pack is the best value. So this time it's a bit simpler to see what to do. We just need to find out how much one roll would cost in each case. So we divide £4.23 by 9 to find that each roll will cost £0.47 or 47p, and we divide £1.96 by 4 to find that each roll from that pack will cost £0.49 or 49p. So the pack of 9 is a slightly better deal because each roll costs 2 pence less. Anyway, that's everything for this video, so if you enjoyed it, then please do give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.